Hello, folks. I was talking about buying rotis separately and fulkas separately, and rice separately, right? Of course, like I thought, similar to fine dining experiences, you can of course order just fulkas and rotis in other restaurants also. But of course, the cost may vary. I think accordingly, the quality may vary. Like on Eat Club, it's only like say $60 with Eat Club membership for say four full cars. Probably they're small and whatnot. For example, here in Meghna Foods, I think this is the only thing that's simple that they give, because I've heard that they provide really spicy food. So they have butter fulka for $30, and then they have fulka for 22. And like this, there are many other like Hotel Empire. They have Romali roti. I think Romali roti can be made with maida and wheat, so you have to be careful about, like, even though the image looks like this looks like maida, so but yeah, image could look like wheat, but they can give you maida one. But yeah, today my mom was telling me how maida and wheat, there's not much difference, like some doctor said and whatnot. I think there will be some difference, but yeah, I mean, probably not too much, but there will be some. I'll probably read more about it and talk about it. But I generally just avoid maida. And so yeah, they have butter roti, Hotel Empire, and they have tandoori roti and all. And you can see there is ragi roti. Of course, these will be costlier. These are like not chapati roti kind of thing. This is more like your dosa kind of roti. So akki roti, ragi roti. So there is romali roti again, and then chapati and all that, fulkas. So you get all of those over here. Um, and then of course we just say rice, I think, as a dish. I think you should be able to get plain rice. Let's see if you can get plain rice. You can get ghee rice. Even ghee rice, I don't know how properly people do. For example, in I think Hotel Empire, they just put ghee on the rice and give it to you. They don't put cashew nuts and stuff, or any vegetables and stuff. Looks like most people do that only. Yeah. You can see it here also. Anyways, can you get plain rice? Probably I should type plain rice over here. Plain rice. And I think it should be there. Yeah, it's there in some places, but yeah, it depends. And then like this is on Swiggy though, so let's look it on like Zomato. By the way, what is this background process? Okay, it's my screen capture. Cool. So now here, if I type say roti, and just see all restaurants that give roti. So yeah, there is tandoori roti, same thing that you can see on say Swiggy. You will have it over here also, depending on, like, many restaurants are present on both. Maybe some restaurants are probably present only on one. I don't know which ones. But anyways, so yeah, you can get just rotis, right? So these are restaurants with rotis, and these are like just the roti dishes, right? So you can see Hotel Empire, savory restaurant, and whatnot. And then if I ask for just plain rice, yeah, you can just get plain rice over here, near and fast. Interesting filters. Anyway, so you can get steamed rice, steamed basmati rice, and whatnot. And let's look at something like, say, magicpin. Let's see if we can actually search for dishes in magicpin. I have not done that before. So you can search for products, right? So I'll say plain rice, and let's see if I can actually find it out. Yeah, it's pretty cool actually. I can find out plain rice. So there's also fried rice and all that, but there is also plain rice available, plain steamed rice and all, like, here, and then over here, and then over here also, right? So yeah, I mean, I think we can get it in other places also. It's not just Eat Club, but of course it's not just Eat Club. But comparing Eat Club and say Zomato every day, maybe I think Eat Club and its daily kitchen and its box set has options to just separately order, rotis or parathas, or full cars and rice, right? And of course, you can get it from all of these places, but I think it's cheap and simple in Eat Club. I really don't want to see too many options. So really, like Eat Club, how it says that don't look through too many options. Yeah, as long as I'm fine with this option and like I'm fine with this cost and I find it worth it and good quality, I think I'm fine with it. But of course, if I want more options, of course, I have to look at something like Swiggy, because Eat Club is just a few set of brands. It just has a few brands. That's all, right? Magicpin, Swiggy, Zomato, all of these have like lot of brands, lot of restaurants under them, including the Eat Fit one, right? Sorry, Eat Club one. I keep confusing Eat Fit, and of course, Eat Fit and Eat Sure and all has their own brands only, and they'll provide only for their own brands. Again, same problem like Eat Club. So if I want more options, I'll go for Swiggy, Zomato, and all. Of course, I'll have to pay a lot of cost, but I think I'll have to just do it if I want to do it, right? So for now, I think I'll just use Eat Club, and if I want more options, I'll go for Zomato and Swiggy and Magic Pin and whatnot. So yeah, that's all I had for this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.